get away at block. This is up to you. The classes is up to you. You will do, you will block, you will avoid it, you will go blocking, you're going to intersecting too much. So try to act like you're going back and just intersect the punch. Pull your left foot on the floor and block with your right. It's simple. Yeah, no, you good. Block with your right. And go. You got to grab all your no focus. Give your left hand. Now punch with your right. Punch hand with your right. You turn. There's your turn. We keep your left foot on the floor. Left. Left. Right now, swing. Harder. And not this way. It's this way. Not this way. Harder. Good. And stop turning your head away. Keep a look at your body and move your head to the other side. Throw on your arms. Good. Oh, that's perfect. You have to do it really fast. Good. Keep your right foot on the back, right there. I want you right foot on the back. I don't want you right foot on the floor. I want you right foot on the back. It's a rear punch, rear punch, rear punch. Beautiful, Jesse, beautiful. You facing him. Push him, you push you back. You're stronger than him. Support. And it's still right there.